Hey y'all, video number 3, and I want y'all to see all these trilliums in this area. I'm just going to do a complete circle real quick and kind of move the camera around so y'all can see some. You kind of got to look carefully, but there's different sizes, flowers on some, not on others, and all this is just growing wild out in nature. Whole trail of them out over here. Goes up, comes back, and then circling back around, they go all the way back over there, back in that area, all the way down. It's amazing how many are over here.